Hello guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice Math Olympiad problem that says a plus b is equals to 15 and ab is equals to 45. We are to find the values of a and b. So right here guys, we are going to name this equation. We are going to call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So the first thing we want to do from equation 1, we want to simply solve for b in terms of a right here, and we are going to make use of equation 1. All right, so all we have to do is to simply make b the subject of formula. So b is equals to 15 minus a. So the next thing you want to do is to simply substitute into equation 2. So substituting this into equation 2, and we have that equation 2 is giving us ab is equals to 45. So a and b is already known as 15 minus a, which is equals to 45. So a multiply 15 is 15a minus a multiply a is a squared, which is equals to 45. So the next thing you want to do is to simply rearrange this equation and set the equation to be 0. So we have this to be 15a minus a squared minus 45 is equals to 0. So rearranging this, we have negative a squared plus 15a minus 45 is equal to 0. So the next thing you want to do is to multiply through by negative 1 to get rid of this negative sign. So this becomes negative 1 multiplying negative a squared plus 15a minus 45, which is equals to 0. So negative 1 multiplying negative a squared will give us a squared. Negative 1 multiply 15a will give us negative 15a, and negative 1 multiply negative 45 will give us plus 45, which is equals to 0. So the next thing you want to do is to solve using quadratic formula. So solve using the quadratic formula, and we have the quadratic formula to be a equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all into 2a, whereby we have a to be equal to 1, b is equals to minus 15, and c is equals to 45. So from here we have that a is equals to minus into minus 15 plus minus the square root of b squared, which is minus 15 squared, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 45, all into 2a, which is 2 multiply 1. So from here we have that a is equals to minus multiply minus is 15 plus minus, we have this to be minus 15 squared is going to give us 225, minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 45 is going to give us 180, all into 2 multiply 1 is 2. So a is equals to 15 plus minus the square root of 225 minus 180 will give us 45, all into 2. And a is equals to 15 plus minus, now 45 is known as 9 times 5 over 2. So a is equals to 15 plus minus the root of 9 multiply the root of 5 over 2. So a is equals to 15 plus minus the root of 9 is 3 root 5 over 2. So hence the two solutions for a is given as, so we have the two solutions to be a1 equals to 15 plus 3 root 5 over 2, and a2, which is equals to 15 minus 3 root 5 over 2. So we have been able to solve for the values of a. So to solve for b, we want to simply make use of this equation right here, and this equation states that b is equals to 15 minus a. So making use of that equation that states that b is equals to 15 minus a, and we have the values of a1 and a2. So we're going to say for a1 equals to 15 plus 3 root 5 over 2. So from here we have that b is equals to 15 minus into a, which is 15 plus 3 roots of 5 over 2 right here. So b is equals to, let's simply remove the brackets, we have 15 minus 15 minus 3 the roots of 5 over 2. So taking the LCM, we have the LCM to be 2, and this is over 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 multiply 15 is 30 minus 2 into 2 divide 2, 1. 1 multiply 15 minus 3 root 3 will give us 15 minus 3 root 5, right? So from here, we have that b is equals to 30 minus 15 is going to give us 15 minus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. So therefore, we have that a1 is equals to 15 plus 3, the root of 5 over 2. And here we have that b1 is equals to 15 minus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. So we have been able to solve for the first value of b. So let's solve for the second value of b, for a2 to be equal to 15 minus 3 root 5 over 2. So and we know that b is giving us 15 minus a. So b is equals to 15 minus into 15 minus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. And b is equals to 15 minus 15 plus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. So taking the LCM, we have the LCM here to be 2, and this is over 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 multiplied 15 is 30, minus 2 divided to 1. 1 multiplied the numerator, we have this to be 15 plus 3, the square root of 5. So b is equals to 30 minus 15 is 15 plus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. So from here, we know that a2 is equal to 15 minus 3, the square root of 5 over 2, and hence b2 is giving us 15 plus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. So this becomes the values of a and b. Hence, the two pairs of a and b are given us. So we have this to be, the first pair is giving us 15 plus 3, the square root of 5 over 2, and 15 minus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. This is the first pair. And the second pair, we have it to be 15 minus 3 to the square root of 5 over 2, and 15 plus 3, the square root of 5 over 2. So these are the values of a and b from the Math Olympiad question that states that a plus b is equals to 15 and ab is equals to 45.